met a friend of mine, an Indian girl. And she taught me a few things about different cultures and different worlds and different societies, see? Now, right, I wrote a poetry I call War, because everybody has them personal battle with them go through. Everybody has them personal war with them deal with, you see? And we all don't know it, but we all come across these people on a daily basis. So that's what I call War. By the way, my name is Essential, for those who don't know. War! Men lost their wives and wives lost their children, family lost each others in those horrific years of war. Mothers cried and weep and watched their family members who died. They lived in hide and feel the fears. Gays had to be straight, Jews had to be white. Blacks were beaten and hated and taught to be niggas and not black. During those years of war, people only wanted to go so far, but they had to stay and live through those condemned years of war. World War I, they killed a man named Birmingham. World War II was set to kill all Jews. And the Holocaust? Shit. Everyone lost. The blacks were shot in cold blood and the Jews were sent to a camp to do the Nazis' dirty news. But yet till we fight and think it's alright. So all those people who died, they just died in vain. You don't think of the agonizing pain those families had to go through. Just thinking about it, maybe wish I was there. Maybe I could have done. What the hell could I have done? Sing a song and dance. The mood would change back with just one glance. The concept of war is just so wrong. So please be free with me while I sing this song. I am free. Praise the Lord. I am free. No longer bound. No more heartache and pain for me. My soul is resting. It's such a blessing. I am free. Say I'm free from the chains that clutch my soul. Without war in this world, and maybe my soul will finally be whole. Whole for the whole world to see what peace means to me and every child that's been living under this tremendous palm tree we call Earth. Better yet, we call it home. Shit. Home. A place where you think you will be safe. Men and soldiers came in and killed you without a trace of life and a trace of history. To family members, it's just another mystery. So please stop this war, because fighting and hating, it's never going to take us too far. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Essential, and thank you all for having me.